Welcome back to the Average Mike Show. On this episode, I'm doing a PCV valve on a 2002 Ford Escape 3.0. I'm also going to show you the easy way to find a vacuum leak. Before we get started though, one of my subscribers recently asked when this t-shirt's going to be available again. Probably not till March, and that'll be with the next opportunity to win an ATV from me, one that I personally tore down and rebuilt. It does start, it does run, it does drive. Watch the quad giveaway build videos, and get a good idea of what you're gonna get. But that won't be till March 2022. Because the last one, it was just a complete bust. I didn't sell a single t-shirt. I mean, look at this. Can you believe nobody bought that? Anyways, on to the show. Here's this 2002 Ford Escape that I've been working on for my nephew. There's some major vacuum air leak going on. We got to figure it out. Here's a fun way to figure out where you got a vacuum leak. You're going to love this part. As you can see, it's running like crap. What you do is you start spraying down some of the spots that it might be leaking. Oh, we're good there. Okay. We're good there. We're good there. There we go. Okay. We found the leak. Alright. It is coming out of that EGR valve. Alright, the EGR valve is, that's where the vacuum leak is coming from. Okay. I gotta go to the junkyard and get a new one. You don't have to come along with me for that. I'll show you when I get it back. When I get back here. To save some time, I already took the EGR valve out. Because I don't really have all that much recording time in this newer phone. Holding it in on the sides here are, you need an 8mm socket to take out these bolts, and one here on each side of it, the EGR. And you need a crescent wrench, at least an inch big, to loosen that up. Alright, and here's the new one I picked up from the junkyard. Well, there it is. Seems to work a lot better now. Won't know until I try to drive it though. Woo, the idle's a little bit high though. I'll have to work on that next. This is a post-video for the EGR valve on the 2002 Ford Escape. Now, after this, the car still needed the computer to be reset, and it needed the catalytic converter. Now that it's past emissions, it's about time to take it from plates. Man, I can't believe it's been 2 months since I did all this stuff. Nephew's living with us, so I lost my spare bedroom that I was doing most of, putting together most of the weird stuff that you see in my videos. So yeah, I'm a mad scientist without a laboratory now. Yeah. So, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, actually, there's that smiley face with some busted teeth down over here. This guy. Yeah, you click on that. That also works like a subscribe button. Like the video, give me that thumbs up. I really appreciate that. You got any suggestions on anything you want to see in some future videos? Eventually, I will get to them. Maybe. Some of them. Yeah, but I do read the comments, so yeah. What was I doing again? I'm still screwed up from the COVID vaccine shot. I still ain't right in the head from it. Oh yeah. Till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.